shindwa sana KCB seti 2-1. Mchuano huo unaendelea, tupate tu jinsi mambo yalivyokuwa nyakati za wale.
One answer has been given. The second answer, the clock is ticking. We need 2 answers. 2 teams. The second 2 teams to qualify for the Olympics in France in the 2024 season.
The timeline is clicking.
Fast. Very fast. One more answer. Anyone?
It's a 2-answer question. So we need 2 answers. So please, if you're giving us 1 answer, please, I need you to give us 2 answers.
It will also not count if you give us the first answer and later on the second answer. Well, unfortunately, we only have 1 winner. And the correct answer is Kenya and Turkey, as earlier stated by Titus Kimeli, I believe. Titus Kimeli was the first one to give the correct answer. The timeline has been cut off, unfortunately, for the second answer. Most of you giving 1 answer and the other one not getting both answers correctly. Congratulations to the winner for getting this answer correctly. Titus Kimeli, please let us know how this merchandise will be delivered to you. If you're in the stadium, kindly approach anyone with a TVC jersey or hoodie. Let us know what you would prefer between the hoodie and the jersey. Let us know also how we will get it to you. If you're Mambo Imechemka, KCB
imekuwa kumoto
has finally found their Baraza. Could we be looking at a 5-setter?
And it's a 5-point gap. So we are possibly looking at 1-1 scoreline as of the right trajectory it's going, but don't count off KCB KPC, sorry, any time. They seem to be getting a little bit composed, but at some point losing their concentration. So it's quite and a very, very powerful hit on the middle where all
mchuano huo bado unaendelea kati ya Kenya Pipeline na wanabenki KCB. Ni playoff za ligi ya voliboli nchini. Naam, kwingine kwa aliyekuwa mtunishaji misuli Robert Phil yupo nchini. Phil anatarajiwa kuwa jaji mkuu katika mashindano ya utunishaji misuli Afrika Mashariki ambayo yataandaliwa